Hi, Face Moms. This is the 7th month, almost 7 months. Pregnant belly. So I have to slowly start nesting. Can you see me? And this is a drawer for my babies. Finally arrived today. I need to assemble this pa. So let's see if Nanay can do it without Tatay. Tatay is still working full time now. Let's see. It's my first time to get kids drawers because when Perry was small, he just shared our drawer with him. Pero now that our family is growing, our storage is not enough. Can you imagine? We're already a family of 4. When I started this channel, I was still single. And then they got married to David. 2 months later, he got pregnant. Turned to 2, turned to 3, and now 3 is turning to 4 members. Okay. It's already, not yet. I have to assemble. So, Carrie asked specifically for a green drawer because that's his favorite color. But I said, oh yeah, I will get you a muted green para naman medyo aesthetic pa rin. And of course, baby girl will have her side also baby pink. I'll show you later. Okay, it's time to assemble. They're really cute. The pieces are so cute. Talagang maliit lang siya. Pang baby. I think 5 layers to. I bought this including the shipping fee for 886 pesos. Salamat, Shopee. Let's see. Oh, meron ding wheels. So may wheels din siya. Really hope I can assemble this by myself. Thankfully, it comes with a Chinese manual kasi made in China. But thankfully, it has photos. So I think it's easy to follow lang naman. So blue and green for Kuya Curry, and then pink and cream for baby girl, and my white kasi there are 5 layers. Honestly, it's looking too complicated for me. Parang, yeah, I'm second guessing. I'm so confused right now. Maybe I should just wait for Tatay to assemble this. Anyway, habang pinag-iisipan ko pa, I'll just show you the cute clothes. Ito, binigay to ng isang friend. Second hand. Medyo pang na siya, big girl. Mga 6 months and up. So, bibilhin ko for our baby girl is yung newborn clothes niya. At saka, mga onesies, pambahay. Pero ito halos pang lakad. Yeah, parang 6 months and above. You're so cute. I'm so excited. Ito parang pang 2 years old na. You're so pretty. Ito talagang pinaka-exciting part ng having a baby girl, yung shopping for their things. Especially, my feminine heart is so happy seeing pretty things. Nag-enjoy din ako kay Kari. Nung first month, parang napasobra ata ako. Kasi first time mom, excited with everything. Pero syempre, kasi baby boy, mga basics lang. At saka, medyo konti ang choices, diba? Pero now, with a baby girl, I can dress her up, put little bows. Excited akong lagyan ng hats and bandanas. Curry never like the hats. Sayang yung mga hats niya. But at least now, gumagamit na siya ng caps at hat din. Pero as a small baby, he didn't like them.
When I wake up in the morning, it feels so good to be alive. When I think of all the things He's done for me, I know that things are gonna work out in time. Cause even though I've been hurt and I've been knocked down and everything hasn't gone my way, but it's alright cause I'm still breathing, I'm still believing that it's gonna be okay. See, I don't look like what I've been through. See, I just gotta do what I gotta.
On that side, so we finally assembled it with Kuya Curry's help. That's how it's looking like.
What's color of this?
I think that's gray, is it? It's white, is it? Gray and then pink. Do you like it? You have to use this side to open it. You pull it like that and then you draw them out and then close it again when you're getting clothes. Can you get clothes by yourself now?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. And we're gonna put baby Adding's clothes also. Okay, let's try putting in clothes. Oh, they really are small. It's really small. Well, you don't have to have a lot. You get your shirt so that we can put also inside.
What's my shorts?
You get on the those are already dirty. Don't get from the hamper. Put them back. You get from the table. Then the ones that I already folded, you put there. So let's practice putting on baby clothes again.
I did already.
Oh, this is adding side. You get the blue one and the green one. The blue drawer, oh, here, oh. This is your side, diba? The green. So you put your clothes in the green drawer. Oh, you put nicely, ha? Wow, Kuya Curry can put by himself. Good job, Kuya Curry. Oh, you bring your clothes and put them here. Them nicely. I'll wash them maybe next month. Oh, Kuya Curry puts his own clothes. I'll start buying newborn clothes because we don't have newborn clothes. Because when we moved, Tatay gave away all of Kuya Curry's clothes and even things away, like crib, stroller, all of those we gave away. So we're really starting from scratch for baby girl.
Those are mine.
Yeah, good job, Kuya Curry. Maybe this can
This
fit for you.
one's mine.
Yes, that's also yours because that's color blue. Okay, yes, that's how you put it. Very good. How about the other drawer? Be gentle, baby. You have be gentle. It has to align. See, you have to be gentle with it. So this is just the beginning of our nesting saga. We still have to buy clothes for baby Adding. Good job, Kuya Curry. Thank you for helping.
Not
See you in the
the
next
way.
one.